With number 36, it says, 4 triangles are shown. One side of each triangle lies on an array and the triangles are not drawn to scale. So based on these triangles, which statement about x is true? So we're trying to find what x is, first of all. That's what the first part of the answers are saying. Now, if you remember, the inside of a triangle has to measure to 180 degrees. So if we look at this triangle, 180, we already have angles of 130 and 30. So we're going to subtract those two angles from 180 to find our third angle. So 180 minus 130 minus 30 is 20. So the angle on the inside is 20. Now this lies on a straight line. So a straight line, and it actually looks like this. So a straight line that has 20 degrees over here, and we're going to find that. These in a straight line, two angles are going to be supplementary. So again, you're going to subtract 20 from 180, and our answer is 160. So x is equal to 160. The only answer that has that is F. And the rest of the answer says because 180 minus 130 minus plus 30 is equal to 20, and 180 minus 20 is 160, which is what we just did. Let's go ahead and move on towards number 38. So we're now going into number 38. Now this says that the length of a rectangular frame is 15 inches and the width of the frame is 8 inches. What is the length of the diagonal of this frame in inches? So we have a rectangular frame that has a width of 15, a length of 15 and a width of 8. And it has a diagonal across it. Now, if you notice, this creates a 90-degree right triangle. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this equation. And the Pythagorean theorem, if in case you don't remember, will be here in your reference sheet. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So in this situation, we are looking for our c, which is our longest side. So 8 squared plus 15 squared has to be equal to c squared. So if we do 8 squared, that is 64. And if we have 15 squared, that is 225. Now 225 plus 64 will give us 289. Now to find the answer, we have to get rid of that c squared. We have to get rid of that exponent. To do that, we are going to take the square root of both sides. So if we take the square root of 289, c is going to be equal to 17. So our longest side will be 17. And since this is a griddable, we're going to come and put it in here. So a positive 17, and we just fill out the bubbles.